Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters, and most especially to our dear pilgrims who are with us as we continue this Jubilee year. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. Our readings today would like to suggest one important action, an action that might seem to be ordinary and yet very important as we continue our Christian life. Kapag po nagdadasal tayo, madami po sa atin, kapag kaluluhod sa panalangin, tumitingala tayo. We look up. When we pray, we look up. We look up when we wish to deal out or sigh our inner thoughts. We look up when we need the Lord. And that could be the semantics or the aesthetics of the churches that we have. At least the crosses, the images of the Blessed Mother, the images of the saints, the altar or the sanctuary is kind of elevated so that all of us would need to look up. Some years ago, it was even made a pictorial posing. Photographers, friends, and those people who will tell us or command us, oh, look up, and then we will all look up. But my dear brothers and sisters, more than a posing, let this be a beautiful lifestyle on our end. When we need the Lord, look up. When thanking the Lord, look up. When life gets tough, look up. When moments are dry, look up. When it is hard to believe, look up. The Israelites in our first reading learned this in the hard way. But by looking up to that serpent that Moses made of, they were all healed from the snare. When Jesus was raised high on the cross, many came to believe that He is Son of God. We benefit from looking up. And it could be a reason or could be the reason why sometimes we won't prosper or learn because we don't look up anymore. It might sound funny or for any aesthetic purposes only, but it blesses lives. It blesses our soul. It gives us the blessing or the confidence to live. Maybe we are wanting for more today. We are in need of forgiveness. Kailangan natin ng lakas ng loob. Kailangan natin ng gabay. Baka kinakailangan lang po nating tumingala. It might be the grace that we all need every day and not only during Lent. To look up to God who does not disappoint. Look up and let grace flow down. Look up and let God pour His love to us. Look up and let blessings be with us.